Welcome to this video explaining the basics of the EU-1000MF. This video is not replacing the product guide, in which you may find a lot of additional information. The product guide can be found on my Roland. EU-1000MF is a UV LED flatbed printer. It has a maximum print area of 1220 by 2440 millimeters. It prints up to 96 millimeter objects in height. The print speed is up to 27.6 square meters per hour, and it prints up to 9 full-size boards in CMYK mode and up to 4 full-size boards in CMYK plus white in standard mode. There are 2 color configurations available, CMYK and CMYK white and gloss. Printheads are ordered with the printer as a bundle option and installed when the printer is installed. A CMYK color configuration can at any time be upgraded to a 6-color configuration at a later stage if the customer has the need. All inks are Green Guide Gold certified. The included table mount is a convenient way to have a computer nearby the printer to control the operations. There are 2 power outlets built in the printer, which can supply power to computer and monitors. The ink filling area is easily accessible on the right side of the printer. Each container holds up to 2.5 liters of inks and can be topped up during printing. The white container is equipped with a stirring device which assists to keep the pigments from sinking to the bottom. Inks are supplied in 1-liter bottles for easy filling. The UV controller is located in the back of the printer. It contains a cooling liquid which keeps control of the temperature in the UV lamps. Even though the UV lamps are LED based, the lamps are quite powerful. The cooling liquid used is the same type used for cars. The knobs control the power of the lamps and are all set to 80% upon installation. The power needs to be turned on before turning on the printer itself. To ensure a safe work environment, there are proximity sensors placed on each side of the gantry. If activated, the printer stops. The anti-static bars are positioned on both sides of the printhead carriage. They assist in removing static electricity from the print media to achieve the best possible print quality. The vacuum table is split into 4 different zones, A, B, C and D, which can be activated as needed by the touch of a button. The vacuum zones can be used individually or as a combination. The vacuum controller turns on and off the vacuum, and by turning a knob, the vacuum power is easily set to match the print media. The vacuum table also has a blower function or negative vacuum to assist loading heavy media. The alignment pins are very useful for correct positioning of the print media. The ink flow to the printheads is controlled by negative pressure. In the case of cleaning the printheads, the purge buttons for each color is activated, which lowers the negative pressure, allowing inks to flow through the nozzles. After purging inks through the nozzles, cleaning the printheads is easy. On the front side of the printer are the controls for turning on and off the printer, as well as a reset button. There is also a display showing the ink levels for each color. The operator can force stir the white ink if needed by pressing the Stir touch button. In order to send data to the printer, there are two softwares included when purchasing the EU-1000MF: SCI FlexiPrint plus Roland DG Edition and Print EXP. The SCI FlexiPrint plus Roland DG Edition includes an editor to create designs using basic tools. If the customer requires more tools for design purposes, SCI can assist to migrate the SCI FlexiPrint plus Roland DG Edition to a full version of FlexiPrint. This migration is handled by SCI and includes a cost for the customer. From the designer, the file can be sent to the production manager, which is the RIP engine. Production Manager is part of the SCI FlexiPrint plus Roland DG Edition. In here, the files are arriving in the queues from the designer, but Production Manager is also able to import print-ready PDF files. The tools of the Production Manager includes step and repeat, output profiles for both transparent and non-transparent media, which are installed with the software, auto-generating of white ink and gloss, remapping color plates, tiling, as well as a handy feature such as a preview function. When the required settings are done, a ripped PRT file is generated for the print controller software, the Print EXP. The Print EXP software handles all aspects of controlling the printer. During the next part of the video, I will load a media on the printer and use the Print EXP software to load a PRT file, set up the printer, and print the file.